Okay, I'm not going to show a lot on this here, but I'm doing a valve job over here using a real machine. This does not qualify as a cheap job anymore. It's not real cheap. So the stock seat has a big lip down in there where it makes it hard to get in for the valve to do anything. You have to lift the valve up out of a hole before it'll flow, which is not very good. So over here, you can see how I did cut the valve down until it got a seat. And then I come back and cut a big parabolic curve above it, so it unshrouds it. So now when you put the valve in the hole, where it ran off to right here, and there's my lap seat, so you can see where the seat is. Drops right in, and you can see the valve. And as soon as the valve opens up a little bit, it's flowing air. So, yeah, as soon as it opens, it just starts flowing air, and the more you go, the more it flows. So it picks up the horsepower a lot when you do that. So, no way of getting out with one hand. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this one here to do the same thing to it. So let's get this camera over here a little bit closer. It'll be in my way a little bit, but oh well. When I cut the intakes, you won't be able to see squat, so got to see it here. So this is on air chuck, so the foot pedal makes it move easily. This is our single blade cutter here, already set for the diameter. So it cuts all your different angles in here. So there's 3 angles in there, a couple radiuses, and an undercut, a bunch of crap going on. Not just 1 or 2 angles. And this here is my custom parabolic curve top cut. I come back in, I cut it right to where the seat is, and it unshrouds everything around the head so it flows good air. Alright, so we can go ahead and do this. I haven't used this stuff in a couple years, so everything's a little slow on how it works. Pretty lazy. The air chuck is real slow. See how it sticks too a little bit. The valve's really off center, obviously. Very well, did it? Alright, so go ahead. Hard to do this with one hand. First thing is engage the cutter, turn the machine on, recenter it, and start cutting. You see that red line down there? That has to clean. That's where the seat's actually going to be at. There it is. This will take forever with stones. It's starting to come in a little bit. We're not getting a very round surface, so pull up. So basically we're hitting on the side of the cutter right now, which is shoving it side to side, so you can't get an accurate alignment. So you can see how deep the shoulder is right there, pretty far down. So we got to come in. It's fun to do with one hand, obviously. Mark our seat area. Come in here and unshroud it. Wrong one. It's down. Yeah, right on it. That's nice. Okay. We unshrouded that. Okay. Come back with this cutter. Pretty good at hitting that on center. Okay. Now recenter our air chuck down here. Okay, and now we start cutting. Once you think you got a full seat all the way around, you can stop. And you see it's pretty thin on the back side over in here. Doesn't look like it's even got a seat right here. See, it's not even hitting there. It's got like half a seat right there. So that means we're going to have to go deeper. Don't want to go deeper, but we're going to have to. Okay, a little bit deeper there. Looks like I got about a full width of that seat or close to it. Hard to do with one hand there again. Okay, I'm going to mark this so we know exactly where a seat is at. Bounce spring cutter. Why do they call it a bounce spring? Oh, it bounces on the spring. That holds it up engaged in your cutter so it doesn't jump around on you. Okay, it's in a different spot this time. And come back and clean that down a little bit deeper. There is where we're going to stop. Starts cutting the seat away, it's time to stop. Okay. That should do it. I'm going to put a lap on there and see where it come in at. Make sure we got a full seat all the way around. Out of the way. Pull that out. It's hard to clean the crap out of the camera in the way. Okay, we're going to take our new valve here, no lap on it, and put some lapping compound on it. About that much, just enough to do something. Lap stick, I'm going to go to right here in front of me. I wonder I can't find it. Okay. So there's your lapping compound all spread out. And wipe off the excess. There's your lap mark all the way around the seat. Nice fat seat. I'd like to see if we can find a seat all the way around the whole circle, would be nice. I'm not even seating over there, which is not good. We do see it over here, right there, and it kind of goes away. So something is not on center. That's not good. That means the air chuck did not center it up correctly, or I did something stupid. Either way, not good. Redo it. Figure out what we did wrong. Back in. Fine. That's all that needed. Okay, try that again. See what the hell happened. Weird. Why is it not cutting where it's supposed to? I don't know why it's not cutting square. It's not cutting over here. It's weird.